For this video, I will show you how to add keywords on your Google Ads campaigns. First, log into your Google AdSense account. Once you're in, navigate to the left panel and click on Campaigns. Under Campaigns, go to Ad Groups. This is where your keywords are managed. To view or manage your keywords, select the appropriate ad group. You'll see a list of your existing keywords. To add a new one, simply click the Add button. You can now type in a keyword manually or choose from a list of suggested keywords that Google generates based on relevance. Alternatively, you can enter a link to your website and Google will scrape it to generate keyword suggestions based on your site's content. Once you've selected or entered your keyword, click Save and it will be added to your keyword list. That's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.